right, going on an emergency service call right now. Truck's a mess. Got that Fujitsu still in there. Just went right home from work. But their electrician replaced the thermostat today, and now the furnace is dead, and the electrician said it's the motherboard. So watch how we do this live. Hi, good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Hi,
I'm Mike.
Mike, nice to meet you.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Jessica.
Hi, pleasure. Do you have no heat?
Not right now.
Okay. Yeah, the call came in. The call came in. The electrician replaced the thermostat, and he thinks he fried the motherboard.
Yeah, he did that.
Let's go see what he did.
Yeah.
Where's the thermostat? Let's start with that, ma'am. Oh, it was there.
Yeah, we were trying to switch to...
So he cut the wires or whatever he did. All right. So let me start right here first. So separate what's what here. Is that the thermostat that was there?
Yes. And now we were trying
Where is the thermostat you're trying to put in? Oh, the Ecobee?
Yeah.
Okay. And do you have heating and air conditioning or just heating?
Air conditioning.
Okay, and the same system, yes?
Yeah.
Same thermostat? Okay. I guess he didn't know what he was doing.
Yeah.
Okay.
The condenser for the AC is outside.
No, I just need to know if it was heating and air conditioning. Okay, and the furnace is downstairs?
Yes.
All right. Okay, thank you. Let's see, which way?
So the way...
That way? Okay. And so just to clarify, before he touched it, it worked?
He was working, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. I have light though. You have a light bulb? All right, I got light. It's okay.
Try that one.
So I see they took all the covers off.
Yeah.
And you have a Comfortmaker. Did someone just put this in?
Like a
It's a brand new installation.
9.
And this is how they did the filter, I take it.
Yeah, I just changed the filter. It's been like 3 months, maybe.
Okay. All right, let me just move this out of the way so I can just sit here on the floor. It's okay, you're doing construction. Oh, okay. You got it? It's heavy.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, you're strong. All right.
Yeah, it's I know. How this work? Okay.
Nothing. Okay.
He's working, so we have to go. Okay.
Where did that fuse come from? Where did this come from? This is a fuse that is blown, so you can see by the spot in the middle.
Oh, okay.
And I'm willing to bet it came from right there. Right there. Fuse. Alright, so
with the extender for the Ecobee.
So now I just want to let you know that the furnace as it is right now, is only wired for heating.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, and because they had never finished the installation for the air conditioning. See, here's the wire from the air conditioning.
Oh, okay.
They didn't hook up the drain.
Oh,
So it's a brand new installation, but I guess they didn't finish.
Just the heat.
Yeah, just the heat. Hope you didn't pay him in full. I hope you didn't pay him in full because they're not done yet.
Yeah, I know he has to come back. But
Okay, good.
I wasn't sure for what.
All right. So.
Yeah, so he tested the AC units. So the thermostat is not wired for AC yet. It's just for the heat. Okay, it's a screw, Marco. It's a screw.
I have a screwdriver.
Oh.
Okay, put it away, okay? This is sharp. Marco, put it away. Here.
No, you put it away. No. What are you doing?
I'm working.
I'm looking at him.
See her, see me, Sean. Let's go. Let's go see. Marco.
I want to see.
Not right now, not right now. We have to eat, okay?
So not only is the fuse dead that they put in, the transformer's dead. We don't have no power going to it. So I'm going to change out the transformer.
Okay.
And the problem will go away, hopefully. Because the transformer is definitely dead.
Okay.
For sure.
And it's replaceable.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
That's good to know.
I'm going to put a better one in. And it also has a built-in safety.
Okay.
Where it has a circuit breaker built into it.
Oh,
Like in your main fuse panel. So if it's not similar, but if it ever to happen again, like in this case, normally, I see this a lot. The electrician, which I'm kind of surprised that happened to him, but he shorted out the fuse. But it's odd that the transformer also died.
Okay.
And that usually doesn't happen. But again, it's a cheap transformer. I'm going to give you a much better one, and we'll see if hopefully that solves the problem. Now, I actually recorded a video of my truck and how it's laid out. So it's a little of a mess right now, but I got everything in here that I possibly need. Including a used Fujitsu that we installed today, and really tight for space right now, but I need a new transformer, and somewhere here are new transformers. Oh, gas valves, where did I put them? Ah, there they are. Transformers. So let's take one of these bad boys. Let's make sure this is the right voltage first. Yep. Perfect. Yeah, I know my truck's a mess. You can blame it on Kelvin, by the way. It's his fault. And before I go down there, I'm just gonna grab some extra wire nuts. In case I don't have any in my case, we'll throw that in the pocket. Make one trip, not two. Be efficient with your time. I already got the gloves. All right, so let's go back downstairs and put this in. So when I got here, this plate has been removed. The front cover has been removed. And I was going to mount it right here, but then you can't get the blower compartment door on. So I was saying, not that it makes a difference the way they put this in, but whatever. I guess they're not done. But anyway, I got the power off at the service switch right there. We're going to take out the old transformer, which we know is dead. Oh, I forgot to put my gloves on. Whatever. It's like 6:30 at night. I just want to get this done and go home. Now, if you smell it, it'll smell like it's burnt. You know it's dead. I know it's dead anyway because I tested with my multimeter, but that's that. Now, question is my Honeywell going to fit there? Or do I have to get creative with this thing? And I may just have to. It's hard doing this one-handed. Should probably use my tripod, but I'm a little lazy. So I'll spare you the details. Be right back. All right, just as promised, I'm sparing you the details. There's our dead transformer. There's our dead fuse. There's our new fuse. There's our new transformer right there. It's got the little black reset circuit breaker right there. I have black and white wired for 110 volts. Blue is common, and yellow is 24 volts, which go to those two terminals right there. I was going to, and I started to crimp on terminal connector, but the terminals on the board are like half the size of a regular terminal, so unlike that one right there, it's half the size, so I just reused those and wire nutted everything together, zip tied it all up together, and voila. So now we'll turn the switch on, we'll press this button in, and like magic, there's our green light. A little heartbeat right there. This is another excellent example of turn off the switch before you decide to wire a thermostat, genius. You know, like, what is wrong with these people? Like, you're playing with the thermostat. And another thing I noticed, look what they did. Common is white. Nothing is hooked up to white here. Look at that. So red is R. Y should be yellow, right, which is not. W should be white. C should be blue. And G should be green. But look what they got there. Geniuses. Geniuses. But you know what? Because of these geniuses, I get paid a boatload of cash. And I love it. I love my job. It's not a job. A job is, in my definition, just over broke. I have a phenomenal professional career. And I've been blessed. We do great work. We stand behind it. We don't cut corners. We just make it happen. Anyway, guys, thank you so very much for watching. If you haven't done so already, you must subscribe. If you're not going to subscribe, go troll someone else's YouTube channel, because I want 1,000 subscribers by the end of March 2020, which is just next month, like 6 weeks or 5 weeks. Guys, make it happen. I want 1,000 subscribers so I could plaster YouTube advertisements and monetize this channel. So I can make, an extra $5 a month. No, but I really enjoy this. It does take some time, to stop what I'm doing to create a video and then piece them together when I get home and upload them to YouTube. But it's fun. I enjoy it. I throw in little captions here and there. But anyway, let me stop ranting and raving. Let me lock this thing up. Let me get home and go in the hot tub. Peace out. And there you have it. We have ignition. We are good to go. Look at that. Little baby furnace. 60,000 BTUs. Is it 60? I can't see. 66,000 BTUs. Little baby 80% furnace. Little baby furnace. Now I'm going to be fighting with this thing though. One-handed again. Oh, there we go. Comfortmaker. All right, hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Direct air. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Probably banged him in the head for all this ductwork though. I don't know. It's about 2,000 hours worth of ductwork right there. But it's nice. It's sealed. Got dampers there. It's open. Yep. Hopefully they insulated it. Thanks for watching.